Hello students, welcome to Lead School Summer Camp. Today we are going to do one exciting activity. Are you ready? I am really excited to make this along with you. First let me show you what we are going to make today. Check or Google who has made the Qutub Minar and when was it made, who was the king that made it, and learn about the Qutub Minar more. So this is what we are going to make today. Also, before we start, I want you to know that at the end of this activity, there will be an announcement for some exciting prizes, both for you and your school. So make sure that you watch the video till the end. So let us start with our activity. For today's activity, okay, now we have this chart paper. If you don't have a chart paper at home, don't worry. You can use anything from a book, and from an old book you can take out the. You can also use a tape if you don't have Fevicol at home, and you can use a tape to stick this part. Now this part is stuck. Okay, it looks like very tapering in the at this point, and when it comes down, it becomes a little bigger in size. Now this little part, we'll take this cardboard. This is just from an old box at home. Don't go to buy this. You will have something like this at home. You can use it any size. Make it a circle. This is just from an old box at home. Don't go to buy this. You will have something like this at home. You can use it any size. Make it a circle, make it a rectangle. I am using a rectangular one. We'll take this side of it and we'll try to place the minar like, okay. Now we have the minaret ready. Now we are going to do something else. So for this we will need old newspapers and we will fold this. Just like how we folded for the minar, we will also try to fold this like this. By the time you are doing this, also think about who actually made the Qutub Minar, which king was the person who actually made Qutub Minar, and where is Qutub Minar situated. It is situated in the capital of India. Now we are going to take some Fevicol and we are putting Fevicol here, and ta-da! We made one of these. Now we need a lot of these, so make sure you prepare some I think 8 or 9 that will cover this around. Okay, so now we have the minar ready. I showed you how to make this one. We will need so many, around 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, around 15 of them. You should make these ready, and then we will start sticking this. Now see very carefully how do we have to stick this. We'll have to stick this like this, and we'll have to cut this part because I think this is a little shorter than the part. So anyway, we will take the Fevicol. We'll take this Fevicol and we'll try to stick it. We'll start painting this brown throughout. This is a 3D model of the Qutub Minar that we are making. Now we finished painting this. It looks like a brown minaret. Think of how long is the Qutub Minar. It is somewhere around 72.5 meters. It's a 5-storied building, so we will also have to create the stories. We'll see how to do that. We'll keep that in the side. इस पे रख के तुम काटी थी उसको, ये रख के काटी थी. Okay. Now we'll take a chart paper again. We'll put something circular like this here. Make a circle. Make a circle like this, and we will cut it. I will show you how I have done that. I have made cuts like. Now we will have to cut this in between, and we will have to put this like this. Now as we can see, the minaret is already ready. Now there is one final thing that we have to do. Take your paintbrush, paint this part green. Now this is how our Qutub Minar looks like. thank you all of you who participated in the summer camp today. You can access this activity also in your parent app, the parent and student app of LEAD, the green color app. If you open that and you press on activity number 3, you will get this activity and you can watch it there. Also, there will be an upload button at the bottom of the screen where you can upload any photo or video of the activity that you have done, the model of the Qutub Minar. Please do that. A lot of exciting things on the parent student app. You have My Class at Home, where you will have a teacher who's teaching you, and then you will also be able to ask doubts to your teacher. There are quizzes that you can participate in, and LEAD School at Home, which shows you several exciting videos. Now the most exciting part, what about the prizes that we are offering? We are also looking at the top 10 schools which show the highest number of submissions all over. We are also going to send a participation certificate for students completing all activities. So do share your work with your teachers, who will send it to me. I expect to see all of you sending your work. Enjoy your summer camp.